Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to go through some of my favorite powder blushes, which are not something that I often reach for, but there are a few key colors that I definitely keep in my kit. So I promised you a peek into that palette, and I thought I would clean it up and make it all shiny for you, but I thought it's better for you to see what a palette looks like between uses. And if you guys are not professionals, then obviously your palettes are going to look like this. So I just want to show you some of my favorite colors and how they perform. Okay, so this is the EcoTools full blush brush. I'm going to dip it into the first slightly sort of chilled out color, and this is Beige by MAC. I'm just going to take a couple of dashes, just tap tap, and right after the apple of my cheek is where I like to give myself a little bit of color. So you can see how Beige, it's just this subtle, lovely warmth of blush. Isn't that nice? So that's Beige. Yummy. The next blush I'm going to show you is a perennial favorite. It's called BlushBaby. You can see how well used it is. It's got a very pretty pink, quite strong I think, so you can take it easy on sort of light to medium skin tones. But if you are warmer toned, I think this will just be really soft, pretty pink for you. You can see that gives you this really pretty pink flush. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit cooler. This is a color called Beige. Nice cool pink. Again with that full blush brush by EcoTools. Just going to bring that right here. You can see that's just a nice cool pink color. Beige by MAC. I think many people love this color. This is Pinch of Peach by MAC, and it's funny because it says Pinch of Peach, but I feel like it's this really zingy bright pink, as you can see. It's a subtle veil, but I love this, especially with red. This is one of the few blushes that I do like to pick up. It's got that very 50s bright, happy vibe to it. The last blush I'm going to show you is something that any MAC fan knows. This is Coppertone, lovely warm color. A little goes a long way for my skin tone. Maybe a little in the forehead too. And that is Coppertone. So there you go. That's a sneak peek into the powder blushes that I always make sure I have in my kit. Don't go crazy shopping, guys. Buy a few things at a time. Wait to run out. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to leave us your questions in the comment section so we can answer them for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye, guys.